This question is taken from the Model Paper 1 of 2024-25 second PUC. Question reads like this. Bag 1 contains 4 red and 4 black balls. Bag 2 contains 2 red and 6 black balls. One bag is selected at random and a ball is drawn is found to be red. What is the probability that bag 1 is selected? So given bag 1 contains 4 red and 4 black balls. We have two bags here. This is bag 1. So bag 1 contains 4 red and 4 black balls. And we have a bag 2 that contains 2 red and 6 black balls. One bag is selected at random and a ball is drawn, and that ball is found to be red. The probability that bag 1 is drawn, let us take that as event 1. So event 1 is taken as E1, that is bag 1, and event 2 will take it as bag 2. The probability that bag 1 is drawn. The probability that bag 1 is drawn is out of 2 bags, 1 is drawn. Similarly, probability that the bag 2 is drawn. Out of 2 bags, the bag 2 is drawn, that is 1. Probability that the bag 1 is drawn is 1 by 2, and probability that bag 2 is drawn is 1 by 2. Both are equal. Now, next is one bag is selected at random and a ball is drawn is found to be red. Now the condition is one ball is drawn and that ball should be red. So red ball. Now probability that a red ball is drawn from bag E1 equal to the total number of balls present in bag 1 is 8 and the number of red balls is 4. So 4 by 8. That is 4 ones are 4 twos. Probability that a red ball is drawn from bag E1 is 1 by 2. Similarly, probability that a red ball is drawn from bag E2 equal to count the number of balls present in bag 2, that is 8, and how many red balls are there? 2. So 2 by 8. 2 ones are 2 fours are. This is 1 by 4. So we know P of E1, P of E2, P of A by E1 and P of A by E2. What is the probability that bag 1 is selected? For this, we'll use the Bayes theorem. So from Bayes theorem, you can write as the probability that from the bag E1 a red ball is selected equal to P of E1 into P of A by E1 divided by P of E1 into P of A by E1 plus P of E2 into P of A by E2. Now let us substitute the values for all this. P of E1 is half into P of A by E1 is half divided by, this is half into half plus P of E2 is half, P of A by E2 is 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8. So this can be written as 1 by 4 divided by 8 is the LCM, 2 plus 1 is equal to 1 by 4 divided by 3 by 8, or we can write this as 1 by 4 into, when you bring this to the numerator, it will become 8 by 3, 4 ones are 4 twos are, which is equal to 2 by 3. The probability that bag 1 is selected and the selected ball is a red ball is 2 by 3. This question is taken from the Mathematics Model Paper 3 of 2024-25. An urn contains 5 red and 5 black balls. That means there is a bag which contains 5 red and 5 black balls. So this bag contains 5 red and 5 black balls. Now a ball is drawn at random. From this, a ball is drawn at random and the color of the ball is noted. So the color of the ball can be red or black. Now, if you get a red ball, then 2 red balls are added to the bag. That means now your bag will contain 7 red balls and 5 black balls. Now if you get a black ball, then 2 black balls are added to the bag. So now your bag will contain 5 red and 7 black balls. A ball is drawn at random from this bag. Now let us consider the event E1 as red ball and the event E2 as black ball. Now the probability that a red ball is drawn equal to total number of balls are 5 plus 5, that is 10, and the number of red balls are 5. So 5 by 10, which is equal to half. Now the probability that a black ball is drawn, that is P of E2 equal to, again total number of balls are 10 and number of black balls are 5. So this is half. So P of E1 equal to half and P of E2 equal to half. Now the question is, what is the probability that the second ball is red? Now after adding this additional 2 balls, a ball is drawn from this bag. The condition is a red ball is drawn from this bag. Now the probability that a red ball is drawn from the bag when 2 additional red balls are added, that is total number of balls equal to 12 and number of red balls is 7. Similarly, the probability that a red ball is drawn when 2 black balls are added to the bag, that is total number of balls are 12 and number of red balls are 5. From total probability theorem, we have P of A equal to P of E1 into P of A by E1 plus P of E2 into P of A by E2. Substituting the values, we get this is P of E1 is half into 7 by 12 plus P of E2 is half into P of A by E2 is 5 by 12, which is equal to 7 by 24 plus 5 by 24, which is equal to 12 by 24. So P of A equal to 12 ones are 12 twos are half. So the probability that a red ball is drawn when 2 additional balls are added to the bag is 1 by 2. This is the answer.